Let's talk about the unemployment rate and how it affects Forex trading. The unemployment rate is the percentage of the total labor force that's jobless and actively hunting for work. It's a key economic indicator that Forex traders keep a keen eye on. Why? Because changes in this rate can influence the value of a nation's currency. For instance, fluctuations in the unemployment rate can directly affect the value of the US dollar. So you see, the unemployment rate has a direct impact on the value of a nation's currency. Why does the unemployment rate matter so much in Forex trading, you may ask? Well, a high unemployment rate signifies economic weakness. Fewer people with jobs means less consumer spending and activity, leading to a drop in demand. This dip can contribute to deflationary pressures. Essentially, when more people are out of work, the economy suffers, and this is reflected in the value of a nation's currency. In essence, a high unemployment rate signals economic challenges which can weaken a nation's currency. But how can you, as a trader, capitalize on the unemployment rate data? Well, savvy traders keep a keen eye on the release of unemployment rate figures. You see, unexpected deviations, positive or negative, from forecasted unemployment rates can trigger swift shifts in currency valuations. Imagine a lower than expected unemployment rate. It often bolsters the USD, presenting an opportune moment for traders to enter the market. Of course, unemployment rate is only one factor, and traders should also consider other high-impact news and other elements that could impact the market. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, it's clear that a thorough understanding of the unemployment rate and its implications for the economy, inflation, and currency markets is a crucial tool for successful Forex trading. Remember, a high unemployment rate could signal economic weakness and potential deflationary pressures, affecting currency valuations. Stay abreast of such data releases and use them to your advantage. Stay informed, stay smart, and happy trading. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.